Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do an Ariel. So, an Ariel is actually not that difficult. Coming from a person who's had it since she was 5. But I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do the drills, how to push off the floor, how to use your arms correctly, and how to actually fly. Okay guys, before we jump in, if you're ready to watch this video, click that subscribe button, like this video, leave a comment for more fun things like this because I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do so many more things and more. Okay, starting off strong with a cartwheel. So if you don't know how to do a cartwheel, basically what you're going to do is have one foot in front. Hold on, let me place this so you guys can hear me. Place one foot in front. Now, you guys can also repeat this on the left side. I use these exact exercises to do my left and my right aerial. So you can do it on both sides. So for your right aerial, you're going to put your right foot in front and you have your arms up like this. Now, when you go down, you want to go into this penché position like that. Okay? Then think of, instead of going like this, try to hit a tilt position like this. Okay? So you're going to move your hands and place them like this. Now, the most important thing for a cartwheel, making sure that your hands are facing front. Okay, not like this, not like that, front. Okay? And you're going to make them face the back of your room. Okay? So you're going to go this, and your leg is going to push up like that. Okay? So, let's do that. Now, do that 10 times. You can pause this video and come back. Okay, guys, welcome back. So, next, we're going to practice pushing off this other foot. Okay? So, for a cartwheel, this is what you guys are going to get today. Right? So, you guys are going to go ahead. You're going to push off this back foot just like that. Okay? So, you're going to use this foot to kind of swing. And technically, you could be able to just do it naturally. So, this foot is just going to push off the floor like that. Okay? So, push and back. Now, do that 10 times and come back. Okay, guys, welcome back. Now, you guys are already almost there. Now, from there, practice pushing your weight all the way to the other side of the room. Okay? Because if you're just doing one side, you're going to just go back that way, fall over or something. You want to push your weight back to that way. So think of push, just like that. And bam, you got a cartwheel. Okay, next drill. This, I have no idea what it's called, but I do it. So once you master a cartwheel like that. See how my left side looks a little scary? It's okay, it doesn't matter. So now, this is what you guys this is the next drill. So it's a little bit harder than a cartwheel, but you guys got it. So it's the same cartwheel. Instead of keeping your arms down all the way, you want to pick them up as fast as you can. So this is what you guys are probably gonna do. I fell. Okay, that's probably what's gonna happen. But what you want to do is, instead of just picking them up like that, you want to push off the floor. So think of pushing off the floor. So practice going here and push off the floor. Okay? So you're going to land out here and push off the floor. Just like that. Okay? So, and push off the floor. Okay? Also, what will help you is getting your chest up. So instead of keeping it down like that, even though I pushed off the floor, my chest was down. You want to push on the floor and get your chest up. Just like that. Now do that as many times as you need and come back. Welcome back. So, next one is the exact opposite. Now, we're going to start. This is the next drill. Okay? Literally the exact opposite. So, what you're going to do is you're going to start without your hands. So, think no hands. You can go here or here. Your aerial is going to go here, but practice going here. So, instead of going like that, go here. So, when you go, you're going to pick up and put them down. Just like that. So, try to get your legs off the floor. So, you want to push off the floor like that. Okay? So, you're going to go push off the floor, but the opposite. Like that. So, you're going to push off the floor and put your arms down. Okay? So, this is probably what's happening. See how I didn't even get off the floor and my foot touched? That's what's probably going to happen. So, you want to get both legs off the floor and then put your feet down and put your arms down. So this is what it looks like when you fully mastered it. Just like that. Okay? So practice that. Do that as many times as you need. Come back. Welcome back. Now, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to push off the floor. So, when you're doing your aerial, you want to push off the floor like that. Okay? That's where your power comes from. Because you're not using your arms on the floor. You're pushing right off your leg. Okay? So, when you push, you want to go down, push, like that. So, a good drill is to go down, push, just like that. Okay? So, you're going to go down, push, just like that. Now, do that a couple times and come back. Welcome back. So, now, we're going to do the actual aerial. So, once you've mastered the push off the floor, now we want to practice getting our chest up. So, when you do your aerial, right, you land and you keep your chest down, bam, you're going to fall. That's not what we want to happen. We want this, right, your aerial, and when you're here, chest up. So, what you're going to do, put both legs on the floor, like this. Put one 45 degrees, this back foot. And you're going to chest up, just like that. 3, 2, 1, chest up. And once you've mastered that, do it without hands. So, let go first, and then chest up, like that. Once you mastered that, come back. Welcome back. Now, arm placement. So what a lot of people do when they first get their aerials is here. They go here or like here. I did this. That's what we're going to do. Okay? But whenever you master it, you want your arms to be behind you because you're going to whip your arms like that and it's going to help you get your power. Okay? But when you do it, you're going to go. So do that third drill with your arms like this. So, and do it with the push off the floor and chest up. So, arms and put. See? So, slowly push down, chest up. Okay? So, once you do that all together, okay? So, whenever this back foot is coming down, that's when your chest is going to come up. Opposition. So, up. Now, practice that with the push and the chest up a couple times and come back. Welcome back. Now we're going to actually try the aerial. Now, I know you're probably like, I haven't done anything. Like, I'm nowhere close. Now, have confidence in yourself. You guys are so strong. You guys can do it. You already did all those drills. You can do it. I believe in you. Believe in yourself. Okay? So when we go into the aerial, first thing you want to do, put your arms down. It's basically the third drill. Okay? Literally what's going to happen, you're going to do the third drill. Okay? So, what we're going to do, what we want to do is try to get our arms off the floor the whole time. Okay? So, basically, just whip. Get your legs over fast. Because when they're slow, not going to happen. So what you want to do is whip your leg like that. Okay? And one time when you try to do it, you're going to do it. Now, probably like, why can't I do it? That's because you're doing it with no step, hurdle, run. Okay, I do not have the space, but I'm going to try. So with the run, you're going to go step, step, hurdle, go. That's going to be your power. Okay? I don't have enough space, but I'm going to try. It's going to be baby. So step, step, hurdle, go. Okay? Now, keep trying that. Step, step, hurdle, go. Okay? Now, last and final thing. Make sure when you do your step, step, hurdle, your steps aren't like this. Nothing's going to happen. You want to think run, hurdle. And before you're like, how do you do a hurdle? This is how you do a hurdle. So when you step, this back foot is going to go to this passe position, okay? And when you go, you want to jump off this foot. And arms up, and you go jump. And you put this foot down. And then that's your power. So you don't do hurdle like that. You do hurdle and go. Just like that. Okay. All right, guys. Do it a couple times. And come back. Did you get your aerial? I bet you did. Now, congratulations! You got your aerial. I'm so proud of you. You did it. That's all it is. It's pretty easy. If you didn't get it this video, that's okay. Practice these drills every day. Try your aerial every day. Go for it. Believe in yourself. Have confidence. Confidence. Don't second guess yourself. Don't stress. You didn't get this video, you don't suck. It takes practice. I've had my aerial since I was 5 years old. Okay? And I did these drills every day for a week, and I got my left aerial. You can do it. I believe in I believe in you, and you believe in yourself. Okay? But before we end the video, what are some things we learned today? All right. Starting off strong. You learn how to do a cartwheel. You did it. You learned how to do a cartwheel. Now, you may not get your aerial, but you got a cartwheel. I'm proud of you for that. Next, you learned how to do that second drill, which I don't know what it's called. You learned how to do that. You did it. Third, you did the third drill. You got your feet and your legs and your arms off the floor. And then you put them down. That takes skill. Next, you learn you need to push off your legs. Don't just stand there. Push. Bend, straight, and push. Next, you learn how to whip. You go your legs fast, not slow, fast. Next, you learned how to fly, defying gravity, but you can't pull me down. That. You learn how to push and literally fly because nothing is touching the floor. You're flying. Next, learn how to use your arms correctly. Now, I didn't really do a lot of explaining, but your arms are here. Whenever you get your aerial, slowly move to Sonic. That, okay? Now, the last thing you learned, in order to do your aerial, you need to have confidence in yourself. Once you have that, you have all of these down, you're going to be unstoppable with your aerial. You guys learned your aerial. You got it. And if you didn't get it, you learned how to do a cartwheel. You learn how to do the two drills. That takes skill. That takes skill. And you have that. You just need to believe in yourself. Okay? I love you guys so much. You guys were awesome. And now, to learn more fun and cool tricks like an aerial and more, make sure you click that subscribe button, like this video, and leave a comment. And I think there's a notification bell. I think. Turn it on and you get notification every time I post a video. I love you guys so much. Love you. Bye.